In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Proton VPN correctly in 2026 and the important settings you need to enable to make sure your connection is properly protected. First, download the official Proton VPN from their official website. Just click this download and select your devices. And now, click this download for Windows and wait for the download to finish. Once the installation is complete, open the app and finish the setup process. Once you're done setting up the app, you will be needing to log in using your Proton account. And after logging in, don't just connect immediately. Start by checking your VPN settings. Click the settings, open the settings menu, and make sure the VPN protocol is set correctly. Proton VPN can automatically choose the best protocol, but you can also switch between available options if you experience connection problems. Next, enable the kill switch feature. This is one of the most important steps because it blocks your internet connection if the VPN suddenly disconnects. Without these features, your real IP address would become visible during unexpected VPN drops. You should also enable features like NetShields, which helps block known malwares, trackers, and unwanted ads while you are connected to Proton VPN. And after adjusting the settings, you can connect to a VPN server and verify that your IP address has changed. You can check this by visiting an IP checking website and confirming that it shows the VPN server location instead of your actual location. So for better performance, choose a server that is closer to your physical locations or use a Proton VPN Quick Connect options to automatically select an optimized server. And finally, make sure your Proton VPN starts with your computer and if you want automatic protection every time you go online. You can enable these options from the application settings. And that's how you set up Proton VPN correctly in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.